Welcome to Play Sport, the home of entertainment. If you're new in this channel, consider subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell for the new content.
Hello guys, Muladop here, brought you PSL latest news. Peter Shalulile caused a noise on social media after he was spotted something on his hand. As you can check there on the red circle, there's something which is like a bandage which is black, and Titi Sama posted saying one day this bandage will be loose and the snake under it will fall to the ground. And then fans came to comment about this situation where somebody said this is a Namibian version of Ispandla, and somebody said I saw that and I looked away, and somebody says that's not a bandage Adamovic, it's a speed recovery speed record I mean. And then somebody said Mike, you will die with chest pains, and somebody said I think I saw this alone, and somebody said I knew it, too much jealous, I'm a chief sis, I saw it today Buloy. And somebody said I saw even Alende had this thing, and also somebody said Chiefs must get us a snake too, Pella, this is so us. And guys, to be honest, I don't know how can you look at it and check it, look closer, maybe somebody can know what is this because it caused too much noise. I'll see you in my next lovely video. Leave the comment below.